This is the craziest story. This story, I had to read the headline twice because it was just so unbelievable. This is a woman who was walking down the street minding her own business with another person, another man. And out of nowhere, somebody jumps off of a building. A guy jumps off of a building or like a parking garage and lands on top of her and kills her.
Oh, did he survive?
He actually didn't instantaneously die. I guess because he's hitting her, but he died in a hospital right after.
Yeah.
So this guy obviously is unwell mentally, is not in the best state, and is deciding, okay, I'm going to jump off this building. But then this innocent bystander, it just happens across.
Yeah, this is like the definition of tragic.
What?
You know?
Just like, what are you're what? It makes you like, what is?
Yeah.
How do you explain? Like, obviously, the loved ones got to get informed, and the headline is unbelievable to me, and I'm not even connected to it. Imagine you're connected to it. It's man, life is just, it's wild. Sometimes you see something like this, and it got me thinking. I'm like, the person who jumped off the building are they intentionally trying to land on someone? Like, okay, man, if you're fed up or whatever it is, or is it just complete chance?
Yeah.
Can you see down there? I presume you can see down there from up there. Anyway, my mind is boggled. We're not going to make sense of it, but it was just a shock to me.
Yeah.
That the way that went down. It was 7:25 p.m. This was in San Diego, by the way. The person who fell from the structure was taken to hospital. He later died. The 30-year-old man who was walking with this woman was not injured in the incident. So he's just standing there and seeing this happen. Oh my God. What is that visual like? Out of control. One of the craziest headlines. Crazy. Rest in peace, by the way. Like, man, this goes to show you never know what life has in store.
Yeah.
You just never know what's around the corner, man.
Yeah. Or above you.
Hey.
At this point.